Good morning, YouTube. How we doing this morning? My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And this is Misfits Adventures. Welcome. Gosh, we got up this morning and we decided just to go for a little ride around here and just check out some of the area. So on the road that we go out of, Parker Dam Road?
Parker Dam Road.
Parker Dam Road. There is all those little turnoffs that we did before. Well, this one is a
off-highway vehicle, which is OHV.
OHV. So that's what that is. This is a little map over here, and it talks about welcome to Copper Basin, which that's where this is. And there's some dunes over there. But anyways, the trailhead, we're here, is, I don't know if you can even see it. There's a glare. Anyways, there's the blue line. It goes all the way around. I don't know how many miles. It does not say how far it is. It tells me to be courteous and travel on existing roads and trails. Obey all posted stuff. But it doesn't say how far any of this stuff is. Now, we don't have a off-highway vehicle. I've never heard of that before. Anyways, we don't have a four-wheeler or anything, so we're not going to go. But it's that way. And all these power lines are coming off the dam itself. I got porta potties here. I thought it was pretty cool. They have over here, that where the brick is over there, that right there is for your pickup truck. You back up to it and you just drive off your four-wheeler, and that's it. That's pretty cool. There's the truck. Yeah, so it goes off this way, I would imagine. They call this the Copper Basin. Most all of this around here is metal, iron, copper, what else?
Tin. Probably
everything, yeah. These mountains are pretty much, when lightning comes, that strikes the mountains a lot. So it's pretty cool. Anyways, power lines, like I said, is coming from the dam, and that's going off to do probably Parker, or who knows where.
That's probably going out to Havasu Palms.
And then this over here, way down over there, which you can't see, that is an RV park and the Colorado River. And then those mountains over there behind the truck, that actually is Arizona. And I don't know, those mountains, and there's another one I'll show you. We'll have to come over on this side. And you see all those mountains behind the truck. Check out these like pinnacle things over here that are way far down behind that tree, like way out there. So yeah, that's those canyons and those like towering things with the dirt falling off of them. It's pretty neat. Quite different than the desert and 29 Palms Joshua Tree area. If this is a lower desert, the rocks are just totally different. There's not that much metal in the mountains in Joshua Tree Monument, I don't believe. I think mostly it's granite and quartz and stuff like that. But this is like hard but big rocks. They're really, really strong rocks. Obviously, if they're made out of iron. All right, guys. We're going to
go do some more exploring.
Yeah, we'll be back. We're going to do a little bit more exploring, and we're going to take you with us, okay? All right, guys. So we're at another OHV turnoff, and this one doesn't have a name, or it does. I don't know it.
I'll figure it out.
It is a different name, so it's not the same one. Looks the same, though. But yeah, it's just for like ATVs to go up and down these hills over here and some over there, but it doesn't take you any further out that way, I don't believe. But you know, we don't really even know, so what's the name?
Crossroads.
Crossroads. So we're at Crossroads OHV parking lot. We don't have an OHV, but we do have
a drone.
A drone. So he's right there, he's ready to go. And Dion's right there, and she's gonna go climb up that mountain. All right, so we're out here. This is where we boondocked. This is on the California side. And we are on Highway 62, which is Highway 62 goes to 29 Palms, Joshua Tree, Yucca Valley, Morongo, and out to 10. So we're not that far. We just are probably 15 miles, 10 miles from town at the most. Yeah, so we decided to come out here and try the follow me mode on the drone. Drone worked really well. We figured it out. It said go. You push the go on the screen and it actually makes a little box around it and it actually takes off, and actually it followed us. Until we started getting up a little higher in altitude, and it was actually lower than the drone should be. So as you go up, you got to keep going up with the drone. We didn't do that. It was following us and just ran into a bush. So yeah, and the bush was pretty low. As you go up, you got to keep going up with the drone. We didn't do that. It was following us and just ran into a bush. So yeah, and the bush was pretty low. So when that happened, we actually, the whole set of blades is messed up. See this blade right here? Oops, let me turn it this. That's all scratched. It's actually dented. That one's, we've got to replace the whole set. You just can't replace one on these.
Here's somewhere it's broken.
Yeah, and this one just got snapped off a little bit. You can see where it's bent. So there's other blades that I can buy that are graphite, and they're really super strong blades, but I don't know if you'd want to do that. So we were just trying to follow the truck, and that worked, and then we crashed the drone. So we're gonna go to the grocery store like we always do about now. When we mess up, we got to get some groceries in the house, and then we're gonna go home and charge up the batteries, and hopefully maybe this afternoon we maybe can go down to the water or something and fly around. All right?
Sounds like a plan to me.
Alrighty guys, follow us in just a second. We'll be right back. Good evening everybody. We are home now. We've had a big long day. We flew the drone for a little bit. We went up to the place that we boondocked and flew it up there. We showed you the footage on this, so check it out. We had a little mishap with the drone, unfortunately, but everything's okay. And like I said, we're home now, and we're about to have dinner, and I'm gonna grill out some steak. So that's what's up next. Beautiful night here. This is on the golf course. That's our little mountain behind us. 6 o'clock. It's gonna get dark in about an hour, so we're gonna want to eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start dinner right now for us. I did do a couple projects today before we left the house and went on our little excursion. We got the lights back up. Mind you, the lights that were up there we bought, they were $26, and we showed you how we installed that oh god, when we were up in Shelter Cove. Well, by the time we got down here, they started to work like not work. So half of them would work, the other half wouldn't work, and then we ended up getting maybe about a foot at the beginning. So this company that makes them, somehow, some way, somebody wanted me to rate their product. So when I rated their product, I just said it's not worth the money, because it's only 20 some bucks, but it takes all day to put the dang thing up, and really and truly it costs more money to put it up, because you have to buy the 3M tape and all that stuff. So I said, just don't get it. So they contacted me through an email and said if they would like me to rewrite my statement, and then they're going to send me some more lights. Well, that's great. They sent me some more lights. Problem is, the lights that we got, Really not the same ones, first of all. Second of all, the red doesn't work in them. So I don't know if it's what's going on with it at all. But I did a really clean installation this time like I did last time. I used the 3M tape besides the other tape because it wasn't working too well. And here, I'll show you. Okay, so up here you can see the little clean installation I did. That's the wire going up to it, coming out from inside the wall. There's the sensor right there. And then you have the lights all the way down. I can turn that to green. I can turn that to purple. I can get rid of the white, but I have no red. So for some reason, it's not working. So we'll figure that out later. And yeah, so we got Max outside. Say hello, Max. You want to say hello to everybody? Say hi. Max, what you doing?
Just want my mommy.
I just don't know what I'm doing.
Don't you? Yeah, you just want mommy.
Yeah, he's spoiled rotten. All right, guys. All right, so like we are going to grill out, hence the grill, and eat some dinner. It's getting dark. And yeah, I got a moonscape to show you. It's really like 2 seconds long, but hey, it's pretty cool. And yeah, I hope you had a good time with us today. We had a great time. We got a lot done today. Proud of us. And I'm off tomorrow, and I'm going to upload both of these videos. So first one to come out from last week, and then there'll be one coming out probably about 5 days, which is going to be this one. So that's what I'm going to try to do, is try to make 2 a week. Since I'm off 3 days in a week, I can try to get a couple more done, and that would be good for us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Max. Max, say goodbye to everybody. No, you don't want to say goodbye? Max, do you want to say goodbye to everybody? You say goodbye.
He's mad at us because we left him at home today.
No, he doesn't know. He doesn't know what this is a camera, and he doesn't understand it. He thinks he's being punished sometimes. All right, guys, thank you very much. Hey, please subscribe, like, and share. We've got 82 viewers. We'd like to have at least 100 and some, so we can start being a real YouTubers. We have 80 videos out now, and we're on our 81st. This is the first one. So the last one was the anniversary that you guys saw. So hey, be good. Watch us, tell your friends about us, and write us if you want. It is MSFITZ'S adventures@gmail.com, or you can write below. And writing below is really easy. You just say, hey Mike, hi Dione, what's up? Hey, like the video, don't like the video, whatever. Just comment, say hello. We haven't had anybody really commenting.
No.
No. All right, guys, have a good day, and we will be back in a couple days. I'm Michael.
I'm Dione.
Bye.
Bye.